Have you ever wondered what makes 4142 steel round bars so special? At Forte Precision Metals, we know a thing or two about this remarkable material. 4142 steel is a high-quality alloy steel that contains chromium, molybdenum, and manganese. These elements give it exceptional hardness, toughness, and strength. But what sets our precision ground 4142 steel round bars apart from the competition is our state-of-the-art centerless grinding service. Our expert team uses advanced grinding techniques to achieve the tightest tolerances and the smoothest surface finishes. The result is a product that meets even the most demanding specifications. So what are 4142 steel round bars used for? The answer is almost anything that requires high strength and durability, from aerospace components to industrial machinery. In fact, many aircraft engines are made using 4142 steel because of its excellent fatigue resistance and ability to withstand high temperatures. Heavy machinery parts also benefit from the exceptional strength and toughness of 4142 steel. And at Forte Precision Metals, we're proud to provide the highest quality 4142 steel round bars for all your manufacturing needs. So whether you're in aerospace, industrial manufacturing, or any other field that requires high strength and durability, Forte Precision Metals has the 4142 steel round bars you need. Visit our website today for more information.